Got a Sony VHS, pad doesn't work. Meat. Look at this. Meat. Is this where you put your meat? I like this camel jacket. And I like this Beanie Boo. What else do you want? I like how you have like a little Christmas section. You got your Halloween stuff. You got your departments all set up.
I got 2 baseball things on there.
2 baseball things? Okay. Shoes.
There's a steel toe.
Okay.
You're not an electrician, aren't you?
I'm not an electrician.
I'll come back out.
I mean, I definitely do stuff with my own outlets, but it's probably dangerous that I'm doing it. That's a crazy candle. A cheese with a mouse in it. It's wild. I think I'm done here. Carl Crawford, I don't know. I don't think I want any of that. No. I think I want to get these 2 things.
Okay. Coat should be priced.
Yeah, coat has 5, and then I think he's 2.
Okay.
So 7. 5, 6, 7. There you go.
All right.
Thank you. You want to keep your hanger?
Nope, you want to
You sure?
Yeah.
I really don't need it.
Okay.
You might find a use for it more than I will. All right, cool. Yeah, thank you guys. Good luck with your sale. Really bag.
Can I have a plastic bag or something?
These are active glasses. They are. Yep. How much is your modem?
$10.
$10. How about the glasses?
$3.
$3 for all of them?
No, one.
$3 for one.
$2 one.
$2.
It's full game.
Yeah, yeah. Are these a watch battery maybe? 8. Take a shot on this. I'll do the 8 for the 4 pairs. Bread maker.
Bread maker.
Yeah. How much is that?
$8.
$8. Spin an egg. Oh, is that for Easter?
$1.
I don't need it. One.
Do you have
2.
kids?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, for kids. You
No,
know.
I'm good.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
There's 8 for the glasses over there.
You need kids. They enjoy.
They would enjoy, and they'd make a big mess.
But it's for not mess, you know. It's,
Yeah, yeah, it keeps the mess
but
in
when
in
they
there.
doing outside, but
That's
yeah.
when you get the mess. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good point. They might like it. That is true. Calvin Klein. Very nice. Thanks, man. You too. Good, how are you? You get a lot of traffic today?
I did. Someone came in and cleaned me out.
Really? Wow. Player choose 2 players to hug each other. Okay. This seems like a good gag gift.
Yeah.
How much is that?
I've never played it myself.
Yeah.
50 cents.
Okay. What did he clean you out of?
I had a lot of bedding and a bike and
Wow.
some beach chairs.
And it's
had
just
a cornhole game. First that didn't last long. I
no, yeah, people like those.
had a grill.
Wow.
I've got that corner fireplace over there.
Oh, that's
too.
cool, yeah. How much is this Barbie pillow?
50 cents.
$1. Perfect.
I think I'm noticing that that a lot of people who are reselling
Yeah.
are hitting these things. You know?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's pretty common.
It's fine with me. I just don't have the time to do that.
Yeah, a lot of people have tons of spare time. See, my wife would like a lot of this stuff, but she'll have to come look at it.
Yeah, I'd love to give her those pillows.
Yeah, she loves, there's like 8,000 pillows on our bed. I don't know. All right, thank you. Hello. This park there is fine? Okay. I didn't want to park out there. Too busy. Relay. What is a relay? How much are your glasses?
This is the 3D glasses.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe $10 for both.
$10 for both? So 5 each. Yeah. Do you know if the batteries are still good? It's like watch batteries, I think. I don't know if there's... Well, I guess there's a power button, right?
Yeah.
I could just try that.
We don't have battery now, but it's just a small battery.
Yeah, I
It's,
could probably test it, yeah. And
It's someone you only use one time, but
yeah,
the DVDs for TV is too expensive.
it is, yeah. How much are these little relay things?
This is $2 each.
$2? Okay. So when you said 10 for these two. Have you had a lot of people today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
This is good.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is that?
$5.
Do you know if it works?
Yeah, it's work.
Works.
I use it sometimes.
Okay. $5.
It's good son.
Yeah, okay. 15 then. Let me look over here.
Okay.
Zofran? Isn't that a drug of some sort? Ugh, looks like storage unit. Clean out. Kobe. Got a Sony. VHS. Pad doesn't work. Meat. Look at this. Meat. Is this where you put your meat?
Yeah.
Like steaks and hot dogs, hamburgers, just put them in there?
Yeah.
The Merck Veterinary Manual. Why are my shoes doing that to me? That's weird. Dale Earnhardt cards. $15.
Okay.
Those
You
three?
need one bag?
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good day, alright? How's it going? The sales in the garage? Okay. Didn't want to just walk in. Bum, bum, bum. It is very late in the day. I don't think I'll find much. But maybe. Prepositions.
They didn't even know what we were having. They didn't know names either. Nothing. Oh, yeah. So after she was born, of course, because of COVID, they couldn't come to the hospital. It is. And it was the dress. And she freaked out and she's screaming, and he just melted. No, I wanted it to be a boy, and just crying. It was wonderful. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I was totally convinced. I really was. So when I went in that day, and I'm like, okay, we're getting ready to have another boy.
Got to go, and then you had to wait for it to get back.
Yeah.
On these test kitchen books, would you do 5 for the 6 of them? $5?
I would for sure.
Okay, cool.
Those are great books.
Yeah, they look good. I didn't even know they had books for that, but
Yeah, I'll tell you,
here you go.
they are. Oh, perfect. Do you want are you walking with a bag of five?
No, I just carry it. Yeah, I'm not stressed.
So glad you bought them because
Yeah.
they're good books.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. Yep. Good luck with your sale, guys. Smells like fresh pavement.
Yeah.
Llama face.
So basically, dolls, toys over like $1 a piece. If you get some bunch of stuff, I'm sure I got you a deal.
Okay, cool.
Somebody already, the first lady here got all the American Girl dolls to clear those out.
Nice.
And somebody else got them the...
Yeah, let me pay for this first.
Okay.
Thank you.
Someone got the American Girl. That's cute. Support corgi. What's it called?
Somebody cleared out the first lady here cleared out American Girl dolls, so they're not those in that pile. But basically, it's $1 a piece for dolls. And
Kelly
toys.
toys.
Got your deal. There's a couple of things clothes left up there. People can get them.
You have any Squishmallows you're selling?
No.
They were, but they're gone.
Gone.
Hi, excuse me. Do you know the size of the clothes? Yeah. So when did you wear it?
When did you wear this? It's a good way to find out a size, I guess.
Oh,
14-year-old and 6
Listen.
feet tall, so I wouldn't.
Yeah, I don't know if it's good. Good benchmark there. Glisten.
Is this a hot dog dress? Yeah. That's the cutest dress ever. That makes me sad to let see that thing go.
You guys got any video games?
No, I
Board
don't
games.
think so.
Board games?
I
Okay.
think we might have, but I think I took them.
You took them? That's quite a dollhouse, huh?
Yeah, that's a darn nice dollhouse.
That's really cool.
So it's gonna have to go probably to a neighbor or somebody with a truck.
Yeah, I couldn't fit it. Couldn't fit it in my car, that's for sure. That's cool.
Yeah, that's more of a like a playpen type thing
Hmm.
than an actual, sleeping.
It's neat. What did I end up with?
You can give me $4, it's fine.
Okay, cool. You've been pretty busy?
Yeah, most definitely been. I only asked you don't pay me in rolled up pennies.
Did someone do that?
Yes.
Weird.
I was almost like, all right.
Alright. Is there some inside too, or?
No, the only thing we got is some clothes that are hanging there.
Okay.
But that should be, I mean, yes, there are more toys in there, but my kids took them
Gotcha.
back. Like we had more out here. And
No,
then
I didn't.
You did good, that's right. Kate was the one that's true.
I get it. Same thing happens at ours.
Always fun, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Halloween costume.
Yeah, they're Halloween or dress up.
Okay.
P1.
You see him? He's right here.
Mosquito?
Watch out, Abby.
Spider.
A spider. Ah.
Keep an ear. It's going back up, Abby.
It's cute.
Stay on this side.
This horse thing. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You're welcome, you too.
It's pretty warm out. All right, I found 3 more.
More, $2.
$2, all right. Sounds like a bargain.
There you go.
$2. There you go. Hi guys, this is why I don't make jokes. That sounded wrong, came out wrong, and was completely awkward. So I hope you enjoyed the video anyways. Definitely had a couple of good finds in there, some plushes that sell easy, a bunch of 3D glasses randomly. I'm not sure why, they were just at every sale this time. These are, you know, I pick them up because they go for like 10 to 12 bucks a piece. Pretty much any active 3D glasses you can find, you can get 10 bucks out of. People usually charge like nothing. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you check out this video next, where I end up finding something that eBay won't let me sell. It's pretty weird. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time.